All right, everybody, I guess you guys can hear me. So, another airport, another dollar, another day spent. All right, so what's going on with Bitcoin? So, tomorrow's going to be a bloodbath in stocks, and probably the whole week is going to be pretty wild. Um, Bitcoin's already breached 79,000. We could, and I'm hoping that we can test like 73 in the low 70s. And I'm going to be deploying money when it looks like it's going to go down, go down, go down, and then stop and there's a floor. I'm also going to be looking at Altora, a lot of other gaming tokens, a few AI tokens I'm going to try to snatch up on the cheap. Now, we have between now and probably 6 to 8 months of just bullshit with the markets, and crypto is just going to get smashed. So, if we get any prices in Altora that's under 3 cents, that is definitely a buying opportunity, and I will be backing up the truck. Bitcoin, man, if we're lucky to get into the 60s or 50s, or gosh, man, if we could just start going down there, I'm literally going to take a loan out, a big loan, and I'm going to buy big chunks of not only Bitcoin, I'll buy big chunks of ETH and some of these other, tokens. Chainlink I like. Man, there's a few AI tokens. Gala. I mean, Gala's already. If we could pick up Gala at a penny, yeah, I'm gonna have to put several thousands of dollars in Gala. But if we can get like 2% or two pennies on Altora, and I mean, there's so many Ondo. There's so many good ones out there. Yeah, I'm ready. I got dry powder. I'm ready to go. I'll be able to take advantage of this crypto bear market. And what I mean by bear market is a temporary bear market. We have these corrections, we have these shakeouts in the market. So overall, what Donald Trump's trying to do is get Powell to lower the interest rates. So not only will people will start borrowing money to buy houses, which will unfreeze the housing market, which will bring housing prices down when it's unfrozen, but also they're trying to refinance debt at a lower interest rate. I think there's roughly between like $7 or $11 trillion in debt that needs to be refinanced, and they want to refinance it at a lower rate, and that's good for the country. And when this thing turns back around, that'll also be good for the country, but it'll also be good for you in your wallet. So literally, this is how you become rich: is buying these depressed assets cheap. When nobody wants it and everybody's scared. Nobody's buying crypto right now except for the rich elites. And everybody's scared to death because of the price action. So, yeah, this week is going to be a very important week. And that's how I view things. That's what my analysis has been showing and pointing to. And, going back to what Alex Becker was saying, if you have a longer time horizon, 2 years, it won't take 2 years for you to make money. But if you buy now and buy over time on, through this, and you accumulate a lot of really good tokens, and you just buy and hold these things, at some point in time, everything's going to flip around, and you'll be on the opposite end of this curve, and you'll be able to make life-changing money. This is literally like your best opportunity. Is right now why he's crashed and burned everything. This is pretty much your last opportunity to be able to buy really, really cheap crypto and be able to turn around and make a pretty good profit. So, what are you going to do in the best transformation wealth, of your lifetime? What are you going to do? What actions are you going to take? Well, you got to make up to your mind what actions you're going to take. But when you want to take action is when everything is already crashed and hit hard. These altcoins are already like down hard, down, really down. And so that's my thoughts on what's going to happen with the market. I'll be deploying money slowly because with the full expectation that between now and the next several weeks, we'll probably be going down and down and down and down and down. This isn't going to be something quick. He needs stuff to go down and stay down for a while for the Fed to reverse course on interest rates and really start dropping interest rates. So I give it between now and probably October, November. Um, you're gonna, see these tariffs stay in place. You're gonna start to see the deflation, and um, yeah, it's gonna be a great short-term buying opportunity. If you zoom out 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, something like that, you'll be very happy that if you bought depreciated or yeah, depreciated assets. Also, there might be some good opportunities in real estate as well, um, because if prices of houses are going down, then the interest rates drop. You will be able to borrow money. So if you are responsible and you have good credit, you got money, you got reserves, you got income from either a job or a business. Uh, yeah, there's going to be some good deals to be had. So this is how you need to set yourself up for success. This is how you make money, and this is how you become rich: is buy low, sell high. So hope you enjoy.